Avoid these common mistakes in retirement planning before it's too late. Planning for retirement is more than just saving money, it's about preparing for a new phase of life, both financially and emotionally. Yet many people make critical mistakes that can threaten their long-term security. Get free Gold IRA Guide and learn about how to secure your retirement with gold investment. Click the link below in the description to get it. Here are 10 common errors to avoid. 1. Delaying the start. Waiting too long to begin saving means missing out on compound interest. The earlier you start, the less you need to save each month. 2. Underestimating expenses. Many assume their costs will go down in retirement, but expenses like healthcare, travel, and home maintenance can actually rise. Plan realistically. 3. Ignoring inflation. Inflation slowly erodes your buying power. Your retirement strategy should focus on investments that offer inflation-adjusted growth. 4. Forgetting about taxes. Taxes don't end at retirement. Withdrawals from retirement accounts, capital gains, and even Social Security can be taxed. A smart withdrawal strategy is essential. 5. Relying only on Social Security. Social Security is not enough to live on for most people. Additional income sources like pensions, investments, or annuities are necessary. 6. Not adjusting investment risk. Staying too aggressive or too conservative with investments near retirement can be risky. Balance is key. Preserve capital while still seeking growth. 7. Skipping healthcare planning. Medical costs can quickly drain savings. Consider options like HSAs, Medicare supplements, and long-term care insurance to protect your finances. 8. Overlooking estate planning. Without proper estate planning, your assets may not go where you intend. Wills, trusts, and updated beneficiaries help ensure a smooth transfer. 9. Trying to time the market. Predicting market highs and lows is risky. A steady, diversified investment approach works better in the long run. 10. Ignoring gold and other alternatives. Gold ETFs offer a hedge against inflation and market volatility. Including tangible assets like gold in your portfolio can add stability. Smart retirement planning means avoiding common mistakes and thinking long-term. A well-rounded strategy, combining savings, smart investing, tax planning, and alternative assets like gold, can help ensure a secure and enjoyable retirement. Free Gold IRA Guide. Learn about how to secure your retirement with gold investment. Download your free Gold IRA Guide now. Click the link below in the description to get it. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.